Dinosaur National Monument covers a vast area spanning the border between Utah and Colorado, but a large number of the dinosaur fossils come from one small ridge, which is now under cover, where fossils were excavated from the Wall of Bones starting in 1909. Initially, a few bones were found protruding from the top of the ridge. Excavation led to the discovery of thousands of bones, and this was excavated actively until 1990. Fossils excavated from the Wall of Bones are now on display in museums around the world.
So it's a back plate and it's a spike. It's awesome. The spiky Stegosaurus is part of the Ornithischian. Ornithology is birds. I wonder. Group of dinosaurs common during the Morrison. These plant eaters depended on quick speed or armor to defend themselves from predators. This group of dinosaurs is defined by their pelvic bone structure. That plate is awesome. I love the Stegosaurus.
Petroglyphs and pictographs made by the ancient Fremont people are found in many locations in the park. Some can be found at ground level, while others are high on cliff faces. They can be made various different ways, including drilling holes in the rock and also scratching away one layer of rock to reveal a different color below. Anything visible there? Wow. The lizard? Yeah, the lizard is very clear. Yeah. How much time did you spend? Yeah, trail goes way down there. Lizards up the rock face to a man on top of the top lizard. This is way up the cliff to this lizard up here, and I don't know how, if they're making ladders or climbing the rock or what. Well, he's not afraid of much. Looks like they've redone the roof, but the rest of it sort of as it was. It's a bit sad to see it in minor vandalism shape. Right now I'm in a box canyon above the Josie Morris cabin, and I'm really struggling to show the scale of it. Straight-sided walls that just seem to go on forever. Up in the end there, that's gotta be 500 feet vertical. I'm not sure, it's really hard to tell, but very, very neat place.